Hi, this video is to show how users of our Euro calling account can actually use their account not only for making calls from many countries overseas with local access numbers, but also from the internet. So we have here a test account with the WAM login ready. So let's log in and look at the menu on the left, and you can see you have various options, of course, including rates and calls, call information, etc. But the PC client, VoIP client, is what we want to look at, because this is a desktop app which will work from your desktop, your laptop or whatever, so a bit like Skype. So if we select that, quick overview, it says you can download our VoIP soft phone to make cheap international calls, blah blah. But let's go to the download section, and there we are, download soft client. What you actually need is a PC running Windows, Vista, blah blah blah, Win 7 or Win 8. Actually it works on Win 10 because we've got Win 10 working with it, which we'll show you in a second. And basically you need to have the laptop or PC set up as you would with Skype. So go ahead, download the soft client, which is the other word for the desktop app. And now if you go and look at my screenshot, I've already downloaded it, and you can see here we are, VoIP soft client. Here's the icon, double click on that, and there you go. Here is your test account again, showing on the desktop, and you can make your calls directly using the internet, typing in your phone number here, and of course don't forget to put the full international code. So there you have it, how to make calls with your Euro calling account from the internet. That's it for now. We'll have some more videos for you later. Thanks for watching.